Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna play Lucky Block Squads with my friend Saurya, and his account is Slimer. He's just joining, so I'm gonna wait for him. Yeah, he just now joined. You can see at the top, such Slimer joined the party. Where is he? I'm just Yo, our friend joined and I just invited him. Today we both are gonna play with the barbarian kit. Let's hop into a match. Lucky Block Squads. Bro, a cyber kid just joined our game. Bro, we're gonna lose this match. Bro. You guys, we're gonna rush to the diamond 10. Yeah. Come on, let's go this side. I think I will need some more blocks. Bro, I need more blocks. Bro, we got the dime, but our friends got it before us. I don't know why. I just got one time. It's so dumb. Bro, I see a lucky block there. Let me get it first. Another one. Bro, no. Someone is getting. Bro, I don't hit a piano. At least I'll get a rage play. Bro, I'm trapped.
Thank you.
I'm gonna trap others. Bro. Oh, at least someone upgraded the tire gen. Oh, who is this? This Michael guy upgraded the tire gen. I don't care who is he. But he took my dimes. Let me again go to another diamond generator. Bro, I got 4 more dimes. I got 4 dimes. Let's wait for one more. I think it's time. Let's go to mid. I'm coming for you. My friend is already in mid.
10.
How many M's you have?
10.
Oh yeah, he already got. Let me break this lucky block here. Oh, yeah, we got 8 dimes. We can upgrade tire 2 already.
Yo, can I get this first one?
Yeah, get it. Let's get it fastly.
Oh, you got it. I
No,
have a force field. I have a force field portion.
just don't use the force weight. We got tire 2 in just 3 minutes. That's so OP, guys. Bro, a iron armor person is still in mid. Let me kill him. I think he has so much loot. Bro,
Yes. My health's 120. Kill that guy. Get him back.
bro, he got the void armor.
I
I don't know what. Bro, I lost the tactical crossbow.
nice.
It's so cool, right? I lost the tactical
I
crossbow.
know. I'm
Yeah.
just getting all the ends so nobody else takes it. No. He got it.
At least I got a bow for taking more for spawn killing.
Yo, you have to help me, yo. This guy's very good. He has a big launcher.
No, bro, you also get
Wait,
a.
how much iron do you have?
Have 52. I need them. Bro, we got tire 3 already. Now we are gonna easily win this game. But the person who got one person. Bro, I think a huge lucky block came. I want to get it, please. I got nothing. Bro, we didn't get a huge lucky block. So sad. I hit. Bro,
Where's the lucky block?
I saw it. I saw it.
Can I get it? Because
I want to get it, bro, please.
No, I didn't get any blocks.
You have M, so I don't even have
No, I
M.
have none. I lost all my I have 0. I have only 1 M.
I think they are.
Why would you do this?
I don't know.
Yo, it looks like green versus.
Bro, it's red versus blue finale. Because however the green
Oh,
and
yes! I got a dodo bird.
it's good. It's
I got
OP.
a dodo bird.
It's OP the
I
dodo.
hope I don't die.
Yep.
No, I died.
Bro, why did you die?
With all my M's. No.
I think it's time we're going for lucky block. Because we didn't even get one lucky block. And we are lacking. So why do people buy army now when we are losing? I think we should go to to this dimension because we need sharpness because I don't even have a wooden sword. I meant I have a wooden sword, but I don't even have a stone sword because I'm using this barbarian kit.
Yo, I have diamond.
Bro, he's so sus. I think he's gonna kill me. Bro, in green base, nuke is dropping. I think he'll die because he's in green base. And he's from green base. Easy win. I don't know how we won this game, but he fell in the void. He fell in the fall void. Easy. GG's. GG's. GG's.
Take my M's, yo.
I think
Who
let's
wants
play
my
one more
blocks,
match.
dude?
Yeah, I think let's go with a one more match.